Welcome to Number Systems. This is the fifth module for this ITN course. Basically, as a network administrator, you must know how to convert binary addresses into dotted decimal and dotted decimal addresses into a binary. And and you will also need to know how to convert dotted decimal into hexadecimal and vice versa. So you still need your binary conversion skills to make this work. Basically, surprisingly, it is not that hard when you learn a few tricks. So stay tuned with us. Binary number systems, binary and IPv4 addresses. IPv4 addresses begin as binary, a series of only ones and zeros, and these are difficult to manage. So network administrator must convert them to decimal, and this topic shows you a few ways to do this. Basically, binary is a numbering system that consists of the digits of 0 and 1s called the bits, and in contrast, the decimal numbering system consists of 10 digits consisting of the digit 0 to 9. And binary is important for us to understand because hosts, servers, network devices, these all devices use binary addresses, especially they use binary IPv4 addresses. You can see in this figure to identify the each other, right? So each address consists of a string of 32 bits divided into four sections called the octets, and each octet contains the 8 bits or 1 byte and separated with a dotted, right? For example, PC1 in the figure is assigned IPv4 address of 11000000 and dot 10101000 dot and 0001010 dot and 0001010, right? So its default gateway address would be that of R1 and gigabit Ethernet interface of the same address of the previously, right? Means 11000000 and 10101010 dot 000001010 dot and all the zeros with 1. So basically, binary works well with host and network devices. However, it is very challenging for humans to work with. For ease of use of people, IPv4 addresses are commonly expressed in dotted decimal notation. PC1 is assigned the IPv4 address, for example, 192.168.10.10, and its default gateway address is 192.168.10.1. You can see this address in this figure, in this second figure basically. So, for a solid understanding of network addressing, it is necessary to know the binary addressing and gain the practical skills converting between binary and dotted decimal IP4 address. So, this section will cover how to convert between base 2 binary and base 10 means decimal numbering systems. Okay, now binary positional notation. Basically, learning to convert binary to decimal requires an understanding of positional notation. Basically, positional notation means that a digit represent the different value depending on the position the digit occupies in the sequence of numbers, right? So you already know the most common numbering system, the decimal base 10 notation system. So basically, to use the positional system, match a given number to its positional value. The example in the table illustrate the how to positional notation is used with the decimal number system, like 1, 2, 3, 4. In contrast, the binary positional notation operates at the describe in this two or three tables, right? So you can go further and understand this table. Convert binary to decimal. Basically, to convert a binary IPv4 address to its dotted decimal equivalent, divide the IPv4 addresses into four 8-bit octets. Next, apply the binary positional value to the first octet binary number and calculate accordingly. For example, consider that we have a value of 110000 dot 10101000 dot 00001011 dot 00011010 is the binary IP4 address of a host. So basically, to convert the binary address to decimal, start with the first octet and enter the 8-bit binary number under the positional value of row number 1, and then calculate to produce the decimal number 192, right? So this number goes into the first octet of the dotted decimal notation. Then we convert the second octet of shown in this figure, then third octet, then fourth octet, then uh, basically fourth octet, right? So it will be equal to 192.168.11.10. Decimal to binary conversion. Basically, it is also necessary to understand how to convert a dotted decimal IPv4 address into binary. So a useful tool is the binary positional value table. It is decimal number of the octet of n, like 128.64.32. So it is the decimal number of the octet of n equal to or greater than the most significant bit 128. If no, then enter the binary 0 in the 128 positional value. If yes, then add a binary 1 in the 128 positional value and subtract the 128 from the decimal dotted. Decimal to binary conversion example. To help understand the process, consider the IP address 192.168.11.10. So the first octet number 192 is converted to binary using the previously explained positional notation process. So it is possible bypass the process of subtraction with easier or smaller decimal number. For instance, notice that it is fairly easy to calculate the third octet converted to a binary number without the actually going through the subtraction process. Means 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, and the binary value of the third octet is 00001010. So the fourth octet is 11, means 8 plus 2 plus 1, and the binary value of the fourth octet will be 00001011. So basically, converting between binary and decimal may seem challenging at the first, but with practice it should become easier over time. Now, IPv4 addresses. As mentioned in the beginning of the topic, routers and computers only understand the binary, while humans work in the decimal, and it is important for you to gain a thorough understanding of these two number systems and how they are used in networking. Our second object is hexadecimal number systems. So first of all, has a hexadecimal and IPv6 addresses. Now you know how to convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. You need that skill to understand IPv4 addressing in your network, but you are just as likely to be using IPv6 addresses in your network. So, to understand IPv6 addresses, you must be able to convert hexadecimal to decimal and the vice versa. So, just as decimal in a base 10 number systems, so hexadecimal is a base 16 system, and the base 16 number system uses the digits 0 to 9 and the letters A to F. The figure shows the equivalent decimal and hexadecimal values of binary 0000 to 1111. So binary and hexadecimal work will well together because it is easier to express a value as a single hexadecimal digit than as four binary bits, and the hexadecimal numbering system is used in networking to represent the IP version 6 addresses and Ethernet MAC addresses, and IPv6 addresses are 1 to 8, means 128 bits in length, and every 4 bits is represented by a single hexadecimal for a total of 32 hexadecimal values, right? So IPv6 addresses are not a case sensitive and can be written in either lowercase or uppercase, or you know. So, as shown in this figure, the preferred format of writing in IPv6 addresses is x colon x colon x colon x colon, right? With each x considering of four hexadecimal values. And when referring to 8 bits of an IPv4 addresses, we use them octet. In IPv6, a hexa text is the unofficial term and used to refer to a segment of 16-bit or 4 hexadecimal values. So each x is a single hex at 16-bit or 4 hexadecimal digits. Decimal to hexadecimal convergence. Basically, converting decimal number system to hexadecimal values is straightforward. So follow the three steps. Number one is convert the decimal number to 8-bit binary string. Step number two is divide the binary string in groups of four starting from the rightmost position. And third step is convert the each four binary numbers into their equivalent hexadecimal digits. So the example provide the steps of converting 168 to hexadecimal. For example, 168 converted into hex using a three-step process. So first step is 168 in binary is 10101000. Then this binary system in two groups of four binary digits is 1010 and 10000, right? So 1010 is hex, which will be equal to A, and 1000 is hex is equal to 8. So basically it will be totally equal to A8. Now hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So basically converting the hexadecimal numbers to decimal values is also straightforward. Follow the steps, basically three steps again. Number one is convert the hexadecimal number to 4-bit binary strings. Number second step is create the 8-bit binary grouping starting from the rightmost position. And number third is convert the each bit binary grouping into their equivalent decimal digits. So example provide these steps of D2. D2 is a basically hexadecimal number. We will convert D2 into decimal number. So first step is D2 in 4-bit binary strings is 1101 and 0010, right? Then this binary number is basically is a 8-bit grouping. This will equal to 1101000010, right? So this will be equal to 210 means 210 decimal number system.